Nourish your skin with DIY face masks. Title: Nourish your skin with DIY face masks. Introduction: 100 words. Our skin is one of the most vital organs in our body, and it requires regular care to maintain its health and radiance. While there are various skincare products available in the market, sometimes best nourishment for our skin can be found in our kitchen. DIY face masks are a fantastic way to provide our skin with natural and effective ingredients that can leave it feeling rejuvenated and GL. Owing. In this article, we will explore the benefits of using DIY face masks and provide you with some easy-to-make recipes to get started on your journey towards nourishing your skin. Benefits of DIY face masks, 200 words. 1. Natural ingredients. One of the primary advantages of DIY face masks is that they can be made using natural ingredients readily available in your pantry. Natural ingredients are free from harmful chemicals and are gentle on the skin, reducing the risk of irritation and adverse reactions. 2. Customizable formulas. Everyone's skin is unique, and DIY face masks allow you to customize the formulas to suit your specific needs. You can experiment with various ingredients to address different skin concerns, including acne, dryness, dullness, and more. 3. Cost-effective. Commercial skincare products can often come with hefty price tags, while DIY face masks offer a budget-friendly alternative. By utilizing ingredients from your kitchen, you can save money without compromising on the quality of your skincare routine. 4. Fun and relaxing. Preparing and applying DIY face masks can be a therapeutic and enjoyable experience. The process allows you to take a break, pamper yourself, and enjoy the relaxation that comes with self-care. It's a wonderful way to incorporate mindfulness and relaxation into your daily routine. DIY face mask recipes, 1,200 words. 1. Hydrating oatmeal and honey mask. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of finely ground oats, 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Instructions: 1. Mix the finely ground oats and raw honey in a bowl until well combined. 2. Apply the mixture to your face, avoiding the eye area. 3. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. 4. Rinse with warm water and pat your skin dry. 5. Moisturize as usual. Benefits: this mask is excellent for soothing and hydrating dry or sensitive skin. Oats provide gentle exfoliation, while honey adds moisture, leaving your skin feeling soft and nourished. 2. Brightening turmeric and yogurt mask. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of plain yogurt. Instructions: 1. In a bowl, combine the turmeric powder and plain yogurt until you achieve a smooth paste. 2. Apply the mixture to your face, avoiding the eye area. 3. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. 4. Rinse with warm water and pat your skin dry. 5. Moisturize as usual. 2. Brightening turmeric and yogurt mask. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of plain yogurt. Instructions: 1. In a bowl, combine the turmeric powder and plain yogurt until you achieve a smooth paste. 2. Apply the mixture to your face, avoiding the eye area. 3. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. 4. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. 5. Follow up with moisturizer to prevent dryness. Benefits: turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can help reduce acne and brighten the complexion. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates and tints the skin, leaving it with a luminous glow. 3. Exfoliating coffee and coconut oil mask. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of finely ground coffee beans, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Instructions: 1. Mix the finely ground coffee beans and coconut oil in a bowl. 2. Apply the mixture to your face, gently massaging in circular motions for a minute or 2. 3. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. 4. Rinse off with warm water, using gentle circular motions to exfoliate the skin. 5. Follow up with moisturizer. Benefits: coffee grounds act as a physical exfoliant, helping to remove dead skin cells and promoting a smoother, brighter complexion. The antibacterial and moisturizing properties of coconut oil can soothe inflammation and lock in moisture. 4. Soothing aloe vera and cucumber mask. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel, 2 tablespoons of cucumber juice. Blend cucumber and strain the juice. Instructions: 1. Mix the fresh aloe vera gel and cucumber juice in a bowl. 2. Apply the mixture to your face, avoiding the eye area. 3. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. 4. Rinse off with cool water and gently pat your skin dry.